feel the spirit in this room. You know, sometimes we need to get into the holiness of holiness. Sometimes we need to get right into the face of God, that we can just feel Him breathing on us. Because sometimes the saints, you know, they go through so much, but God is still saying, come unto me. I can feel Him now. Oh, sometimes when I have trouble, I thank God that trouble don't last always. All right. Because I know that God is in the Holy of Holies. And He's moving you. Thank you, Jesus. Open the floodgates of heaven. Lord, let it rain. Let it rain. Open the floodgates of heaven. Lord, let it rain. Let it rain. Yo, come on, help me sing it now. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Oh, let it rain. My. Ooh, y'all, come on, help me sing it now. So